Scott.
And tonight we're digging into a new lawsuit against a Southside nursing home after a woman was assaulted and murdered while living there. Her family tells us the facility is responsible. Our Emily Longnecker shares the red flags they're raising tonight about the healthcare center's history.
This is the 28-page lawsuit filed this week by the family of Patricia Newnum. The claims in this lawsuit are heinous, and among them that the 80-year-old Newman was conscious and aware as another resident here at this healthcare facility sexually assaulted, raped, and murdered her.
The lawsuit claims that Homestead Healthcare Center fostered a dangerous environment, rife with issues of understaffing, lack of supervision, and other failures by management and staff, all which it claims contributed to the circumstances of Newnum's rape and murder by a fellow intoxicated resident this past February. 60-year-old Dwayne Freeman is awaiting trial, accused of raping and smothering Newnum with a pillow as she lay in her bed. The alleged crime, the lawsuit says, is, quote, the tragic culmination of constant, horrendous conditions and conduct at the Homestead Healthcare Center. Those alleged conditions are described as, quote, a culture of crime, drugs, alcohol abuse, and poor treatment of residents and patients, permitted to fester. The lawsuit also details dozens of police runs in the past year to the facility by IMPD for investigations of theft, assaults, and narcotics. After Newnum's death, the lawsuit claims when a former employee learned about the allegations of her rape and murder, he reportedly said, quote, this place was just a walking time bomb.
We reached out to the family's attorney for comment. They did not have one. Dwayne Freeman is behind bars on charges of rape and murder of Newnum. A trial date has not been set.
Now, we reached out to the nursing home for comment tonight about this lawsuit. We are still waiting to hear back. Our 13 Investigates team did some digging tonight into Homestead Healthcare Center after Patricia Newnum's death. Medicare.org shows a low overall nursing home rating, receiving only 1 out of 5 stars. Its quality rating was average, but health inspections and staffing were both rated well below average. Turnover for registered nurses sits at nearly 90%. That's well above the national and state average. We also learned tonight this nursing home received 19 health citations recently. That's also significantly higher than the national and state average, both of which are in the single digits. And we discovered tonight that Homestead Healthcare Center racked up more than $117,000 in federal fines just last year. You can read the entire 13 Investigates report right now. We've got it posted on WTHR.com/investigates.